So right away I have a blister and I'm not okay with that. So I'm going to use these Mederma cold sore patches to cover it up. Before I start with the makeup, I just peel it off of the little thing that it comes in. And then you're going to apply it to your lip carefully. And this is very easy to do. It does not take long and it sticks right away. Just make sure your skin is clean and nothing's on it. And then once you press it in there, press all the edges around it, peel it off, and the patch is on. Voila. These patches are awesome, you guys. All right, so now we're gonna be using Fenty Beauty. I'm going to be trying to do a full face-ish. So this is the primer, and I believe this is the dewy primer. And it was a good primer, actually. It didn't feel silicone-y. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you guys know I don't like the silicone-based primers. Even though now I have my ways of using it, and I'll use them if I do get them. You know, I'm trying not to be as picky anymore. But it feels good on the skin, very hydrating. Now going in with the Pro Filter Concealer. This is in the shade 185. I'm pretty much concealing the patch, well, trying to conceal it so it's not like so obvious that it's there. And then I'm going to go in with the Pro Filter Foundation. It's in the shade 185 as well. This foundation, oh my god, it's so good. I hate matte foundations, but this one is a soft matte. And it looks so good on my skin. It felt good. It didn't feel cakey or thick. It was so good. So good, so good. I recommend it, especially for anyone that is in their 30s and has fine lines. This is so good. It did not emphasize my fine lines at all, you guys. I definitely recommend it, you guys. All right, now going back with the concealer, I'm going to conceal right in the little inner corner, my nose. And then I had to pull out my Maybelline Master Conceal Concealer. This is my favorite concealer. It's just so good, and it's like my skin tone. So I put this on the middle part of my under eye, my forehead, and above my lip and chin. And then I blend it all together just because this concealer seemed a little too light for me, and I was a little shocked. But it's okay. It all worked out. I always mix this concealer with any other concealer just because it does not crease under my eyes. I don't know, it's hard to explain, but I love that Maybelline concealer. Love it. Also, I want to apologize if you guys hear any click-clacking in the background. It's my dog Midnight. She's just walking back and forth with her old self. Oh my god, all of it blended out like a dream. Love that combo. And then I'm going back to the Maybelline Master Conceal Concealer because you guys know I love that one. And I'm applying it all to my eyelids, I love using this for my eyelids as a base. And then I am going in with the Fenty Match Stix in the shade Cocoa to Cream Contour. Also, when it comes to contouring, don't feel like you have to contour like everyone else. Everyone's face shape is different. Contour to your face shape, and it's all about hiding what you don't want to be emphasized, pretty much. That's how I use it. All right, now the blending part, it was so easy to blend this out. I did not struggle with it at all. I didn't have to like work on the areas for long to try to blend it in. It just blended out so easy, so good, so good. I usually use a beauty blender to blend my makeup out, but this sponge is a different sponge. It's a sponge I got from a BoxyCharm box, and it's blending out so good even with a sponge that I usually don't use. So like I said, it's really good. Another thing, I just want to let you guys know that when I edited this video, I did not forward it. So this is in real time, so it's not sped up to go quicker. Hopefully you guys like that, because I'm just trying to see like what works best for my videos these days. Now going in with the Pro Filter setting powder. This is in the shade Lavender. This gave me such a pretty under eye. I know a lot of people like to use like the pinky shades under the eye, but this lavender under my eye, oh my god. Oh my god, you guys. Love it. And it did not settle in my fine lines. Next, I'm using the shade Butter, which is also another Pro Filter setting powder, and I'm using this all over the face. And I can't even express how amazing this is. Like, it just gave me that porcelain look to my skin. It looks so good, you guys. So good. Next, I'm going in with a stalk'r bronzer. This is in the shade Island Ting, and this bronzer blended out so beautifully. I love it. The only thing is, I wish I would have ordered another one of these in a darker shade so that I could contour. But other than that, I love it. I just want to apologize really quick for the crappy sound quality during this voiceover. I'm sorry. I don't know what happened to my mic, but it's just not doing so well, and looks like I gotta get a new one. So as you guys know, I am using this bronzer as a contour shade, but technically with a bronzer shade, you're just supposed to bronze your skin in the areas where you want to look tan, like where the sun would hit and you would look tan. I don't know if that makes sense, but there's like that whole like controversial thing on the internet about how to contour, how to bronze. But yeah, I mean, there's no right or wrong way to do any makeup. You do as you please. Okay. And as you can see, I am feeling myself here. This is where I get happy during the makeup process, and then I'm dipping back into that bronzer, and I'm gonna apply that to the crease and a little bit above the crease. So you blended it upwards, I can't even talk. You blend it upwards into the upper crease, and then, you know, from the crease, if that makes sense. And I do this to give the eye some dimension so it doesn't look flat. Now going in with this Killawatt foil highlighter duo, I'm dipping into the shade Sandcastle. It's so pretty and so pigmented. I'm applying it with my finger, as you can see, and I'm liking how pigmented it is. But then it was too pigmented, so I went in with a brush just to diffuse it a little bit because I want to look a little more natural. And I do the same steps to the other eye as well because I want both eyes to look the same. I'm also going to apply the same shade to my nose to highlight it. It's so pigmented, you guys, so a little goes a long way, as you can tell. And then I'm going to go in and chisel my cheeks with the setting powder. And this is in the shade, I think this one's the butter one. Yes, it's so pretty. And it like left my skin feeling so nice. So nice. Same thing, I like to chisel the nose to give it the appearance of it looking a little thinner. After wiping all the powder off, I am now going in with the setting spray called Baby What It Do, and this setting spray is good. Then I'm going back into that Killawatt foil duo, and I'm going in with the Sandcastle shade on my cheekbones for highlight. Now for the glass bomb, this is the shade Ruby Milk. I decided to put this on, but it was not a good idea because I forgot I had that patch and it was starting to lift. So yeah, I did have to take it off. I do have to say it is a pretty shade, and I definitely will wear it any other time for sure. Next, I'm going in with the Full Frontal Mascara. This mascara is so bomb. I got this one in the shade Cause I'm Black, and I'm definitely going to purchase a full-size one. This one was just a free sample size one, and I actually like it. We have reached the end of the video, you guys. Make sure you guys hit like on this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on those bell notifications. And I'll see you next time. Bye!